Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating the employee benefits slide for a new employee onboarding template in PowerPoint. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a new slide. So I'm just going to go over to new slide and I'm going to insert a blank slide. Next, I'm going to go over to shapes and I'm going to select a rectangle. I want to insert a rectangle. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle that's the rectangle goes across the entire height of this rectangle. Let's go over to fill and I'm going to use this blue color we've been using. I'm just going to show you the color in a moment. The color is 040F45. And let's go over to outline. We're going to select no outline. The height of this, we already have the height. What we need is the width. The width is going to be 2.2, and I'm just going to align it to the center here. I'm going to select this, hold Control, drag to create another copy. I'm going to just place it here. The width of this line is going to be, or this rectangle is going to be 0.7, and the fill is going to be white. And I'm just going to align it to the center of this line. Next up, I'm going to insert yet another rectangle. Let's go to shapes, rectangle, and I'm going to do the same here. So I'll just bring this shape. We're going to change the fill to that dark blue color and then select no outline. This time the height is going to be 2.2 and then align it to the middle of the slide and then drag it across the entire length of the slide. Hold Control and drag to create another copy, and I'm just going to realign it. The height of this is going to be 0.7 and we are going to change the fill of this line to white and we are just going to align it to the middle just like this. Oh, I moved it by mistake. Now we have this. Next up, we're going to need circles. So go over to shapes. We're going to select the oval shape and I'm going to insert. Go to fill. We're going to use the same dark blue color and then select no outline. Dimensions is going to be 12 cm by 12 cm, and we are going to align it to the center as well as the middle of this entire slide. Once again, hold Control, drag to create another copy of this. The fill of this shape is, this circle is going to be white and the dimensions is going to be 10.5 by 10.5, and I'm going to align it here just like this. Now you see that we have this issue where it seems like the lines are not how will I put it? The lines, it's not giving us the effects we want. We want to have that corner effect. All we need to do is just rearrange it. So go over to arrange and then we're going to use the selection pane and we're going to sort of weave this. So I'm going to select this line. For me, it's rectangle 4 and it's the white rectangle. I'm going to bring it in between these two and then select this one, the one that is the white rectangle, and then bring it in between the two circles, and now we are going to have that effect. Now we're going to insert our text next. Go to insert text box. Let's go to notes. This text is going to be in the description box below, so you can check that out. I'm going to copy and then paste. Select the entire text box and I'm going to change the font to Montserrat Medium. So it's going to be Montserrat Medium. Size is going to be 44. Alignment of the text is going to be center, and I'm just going to change the width of this side to fit and then align this to the center as well as the middle of your slide. Next up, we're going to add in the other content. So I could just create another copy of this, hold Control, select this text box, and then drag a copy. Let's change the font of this. It's simply going to be Montserrat. So I'm just going to change this to Montserrat and size is 24. And alignment of the text is still going to be center. I'm just going to move it a little bit. Let's go over to our notes. I'm going to grab the first item, which is this one, copy, and then I'm going to paste. So we have our text on 4 lines just like this. I think Yeah, that looks good. I'm going to hold Control and Shift, create another copy while also keeping it aligned so that I don't have to worry about that. Select these two text boxes, hold Control and Shift, and then drag to create yet another copy and just maintain the same spacing they have as best as you can. Now let's grab the content for the rest of our text boxes. I'm going to copy the second one. It's going to be here. Let's go to the next one, copy, and then paste. Finally, it's going to be this one, and then I'm going to paste. I'm going to hold Control and increase the width of my text box so that I'll have my, I want to have the same number of lines of texts. And let me just do it a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to move it. All right, now that we have this, we can go ahead and add in our transition as well as our animation. So go over to transitions. We're going to use the fade transition, increase the duration to 1.75. Next up is going to be animation. So go over to the animations tab. We're going to select this first text box. And I'm going to use the flying animation. Go over to effect options, select from left. Next up, start is going to be with previous. Duration is going to be 1.25. Now come over here to this show additional effects options, and smooth end is going to be 0.5 seconds. Next is going to be this one, use the flying animation. Effects this time is going to be from right. Start is going to be after previous. Duration is 1.25. We're going to show the additional effect options, and I'm going to make the smooth end 0.5. Let's move on to this one. Once again, flying animation. Over in effects, we're going to use from left. The start is going to be after previous. Duration is going to be 1.25. Go to additional effects options and make the smooth end 0.5. Finally, it's this one, flying. Make the effects from right. Start is going to be after previous. Duration is going to be 1.25. We're going to show the effects options, additional effects options, and smooth end is 0.5. And yeah, now let's go ahead and see what our slide looks like in the slideshow view. And I'm going to start this, and now we're going to have our text all coming one by one. And yeah, that is it for the employee benefits for our new employee onboarding template in PowerPoint. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I create all of the other slides in this template, you can check out the description box below to the link to the individual videos or the link to the course playlist, or you could click on the video or playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.